My name is Frank Blowers. I'm the maintenance supervisor at Beaver Water District. In my department we have 12 people, 4 of them are facility maintenance, and we have 8 mechanics. We do everything here from mow the grass to pull pumps, rebuild gearboxes. Our department does all the mechanical aspects of everything, and then we have an electrical department that does the electrical stuff. Our work weeks differ from season to season. Naturally in the wintertime, the demand for water is not nearly as high, so we try to do a lot of rebuilds in the wintertime of stuff that we normally wouldn't do in the summer. And then for the facility maintenance guys, they usually go around, clean buildings, do a lot of painting in the winter, whereas in the summertime their main responsibility would be to the upkeep of the grounds here at the district, and that's a full-time job for 4 of them. So there's nothing more rewarding for somebody to come onto the plant site and make the comment about this being the cleanest water treatment plant they've ever seen. They take a look at the building up there and the water feature, and then when they go down to the plant they see how well kept and groomed everything is. It puts people at ease knowing that if you take that kind of care in your grounds, that there's definitely no question about your water. Here at the district, we have a very low turnover rate. Most people just don't leave here. It's a great place to work. The benefits are outstanding, and this is probably the most secure job a person could have. You have to have drinking water.
And you can always find more information about our careers on our website at bwdh2o.org.